Okay, Brittany, I just read that 40% of traffic fatalities take place at night, even though there's 60% less traffic.
Wow, that just goes to show how important proper visibility is to nighttime driving.
Obviously, a clean windshield is important, and so are good wiper blades. But what role do your headlights play?
Oh, a big role. There are two main concerns. One is with the headlamp or bulb, the other is with the lens. The fact of the matter is, headlamps go dim over time. You just need to replace them. Some vehicles come with a standard bulb, which you can replace, or you can upgrade to a halogen bulb that is much brighter. Halogen costs a little bit more, but you'd be amazed at the difference.
I've heard it's a good idea to replace your headlamps once a year. The idea is that your lamps never dim to the point that they become a safety issue.
Right, many experts recommend that. Now the other issue is a headlamp lens. For the last couple of decades, most lenses are made of plastic, which can get cloudy or yellow, and that blocks a lot of light.
Yeah, I've seen that. Do you have to replace the lens?
Well, problem is each lens assembly can cost as much as $350 to $400. It's much less expensive to restore the lens if it isn't broken. We use a process of special cleaners and polishes to remove the yellowed and hazy layer of the lens. We then apply a hard protective finish. When we're done, your lenses really are as good as new.
And I assume it costs quite a bit less to restore a lens than to replace it.
It really does. The price depends on the size of the lens and how yellowed or cloudy it is. And you can even restore taillights and turn signals.
So, combining a headlamp restoration with new bulbs will light up the road like a new car. You might say, I can clearly see the advantage.